Hey everyone, if you're still downloading programs one by one from random websites, it's time to stop. Windows 11 has its own package manager. It's called Winget, and it can install, update, repair, and uninstall apps automatically from a single command. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Winget to set up a fresh PC in minutes instead of hours, and why once you start using it, you'll never want to go back to installing apps the old way. Winget works like apt on Linux or brew on macOS. Instead of opening a browser, finding download pages, and clicking through installers, you just tell Windows what you want and it handles the rest. No clicking next, no license agreements, or bundled junk. Before Winget, Windows didn't have an official package manager. If you wanted this kind of automation, you had to use third-party tools like Chocolatey. But there were trade-offs. It relied heavily on community-maintained scripts. Enterprises often needed paid licenses, and it wasn't built into Windows. Winget is Microsoft's answer to that era, an official built-in solution that installs apps using vendor-supported installers and manifests. Alright, let's jump in. To search for and install an application, simply open Command Prompt and run winget search and the application name. For example, winget search google.chrome. Winget then checks its repository and shows all matching packages. Let's try another example, Steam. If you run winget search Steam, you'll notice Winget doesn't just show Steam, it also shows related packages like Steam CMD and other tools. This is where package IDs matter. Steam's exact package ID is valve.steam, so the safest way to install it is winget install with -e and --ID valve.steam. So here's what these flags mean. The ID tells Winget exactly which package you want. The E means exact match, so Winget won't guess or prompt you. This matters a lot once you start scripting or automating installs because it guarantees you get the right app every time. If something ever breaks or doesn't detect correctly, you can force a reinstall using the force flag. This tells Winget to reinstall even if the software is already installed. You can also make installs completely silent by adding the silent, the accept source agreements, and the accept package agreements flags. However, this is not guaranteed to run them unattended. You may still have to answer yes to run some apps as administrator. That's because some installers and uninstallers do not always support a true silent install. There is a workaround for this, and that is to create a batch file with all the apps you need and run that file as an administrator. Now, using Winget to update your software is super easy. Instead of opening each app and checking for updates, you can simply run winget upgrade with the all flag. This will update every supported application at once. You can also update a single application using winget upgrade. For example, to upgrade Steam, I would simply run this command, winget upgrade valve.steam. To uninstall apps, you simply use the uninstall command with Winget. It also lets you audit and export the current installed applications on your system. In order to view the current applications, you can use Winget list. You can manage your Winget sources using Winget source list, and you can update the sources using Winget source update. This is particularly useful when packages are missing or seem outdated. Winget can export a list of all your installed applications. So instead of trying to remember what you had installed on your old computer, you can just save it to a list. All you have to do is run the winget with the export-o command and name the file whatever you want, .json. Winget creates a simple file that contains all the apps it recognizes on your system, their names, versions, and where they came from. It's important to note though that Winget only exports apps it recognizes. Some legacy applications or portable apps may not appear. Now, when you get a new PC or after a Windows reset, just copy that file over and run winget import, and Winget will automatically reinstall everything for you. No rebuilding your setup from memory. This is perfect when you buy a new computer, reinstall Windows, or you want the same setup on multiple machines. You can even open that file and remove the apps you don't want before reinstalling. Winget doesn't just install apps, it lets you back up your entire system and rebuild it on a new PC in minutes. It turns Windows into an automated, repeatable platform. Here are 3 reasons you should be using Winget. Number 1, you can rebuild your system in minutes. Number 2, you can script your entire setup once and reuse it forever. And number 3, you can avoid shady download sites entirely.